From our early hands-on to our full experience review of the Z Flip 3, it's safe to say that we've been overall very impressed with what Samsung have achieved here with the Z Flip 3, from improvements to durability, the display, and most importantly, the starting price point, which really made this foldable flagship for more people. All that being said, there is always room for improvement for the next generation Flip. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on SamMobile. Here is our wish list for the Z Flip 4. The improvement to the cover display on the Flip 3 really took what was not that usable on the Flip 1 to really transform the usability on the Flip 3 cover display. Having more display real estate for the notifications, quick reply, and most importantly, a bigger viewfinder when using the rear cameras as high quality selfies. Much like what you would find on the Fold 3, we would love to see more of the rear utilized as a full screen edge-to-edge display, which could even enable a close to full typing experience for the outer display, and also an even bigger viewfinder when using the cameras. Wishful thinking, but maybe throw in the addition of 120Hz to match the inner display as well. In our experience reviewing the Flip 3, although not much had changed with camera hardware, we found it to be good enough for day-to-day use, and we love the flexibility of being able to use the main cameras for high quality selfies and having a viewfinder with the cover display when using it. Even with the price point being well improved and reduced from before, flagship devices at this price point still tend to come with a telephoto zoom lens with a bare minimum of 2x or ideally 3x zoom. Yes, we do understand some limitations for space and room come into play when making a foldable, but even still, we feel and want to see the inclusion of a dedicated zoom lens for the rear cameras on the next Flip. We understand that the aim and the target of the Flip series isn't to have the over-the-top power features. It's more aimed as a fashion and social statement based on the style, design, and just how compact it becomes thanks to its amazing ability to fold vertically on its hinge and display. But regardless of what we think at SamMobile in regards to this, the overall feedback for some users not having Dex support has been strong enough to cause people to hold back on getting the Flip 3, even with improvements to durability with IPX8 and the price point matching other Samsung devices like the S21 Plus. We know this is a long shot, but we do hope Samsung reconsiders adding Dex support on the next Flip, as we all know that the hardware specs are there to back it up. Hitting on this final one, battery life and charging speeds. Seeing the same 3,300 mAh battery on the Flip 3 was an instant point of concern, especially with the addition of 120Hz on the inner display, a 29% brighter display, and a larger cover display backed with the new internal specs. These points of concern were justified as the overall battery life on the Flip 3 can be manageable, but overall did leave much to be desired. Whether going for a thicker profile or a breakthrough in denser battery capacity storage in the near future, we hope to see at least a 4,000 mAh battery on the next Galaxy Flip. Let us know in the comment section below, did you pick up the Flip 3 this time round, and what your personal wish list for the Flip 4 would be? For the latest news in the world of Samsung daily, be sure to visit us at sammobile.com. For the latest videos on SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.